As you can see, welcome to the student attendance system. So, ito yung student list. The student list, Lebron, Jamoran, and Say. So, ito yung ano niya. Ito. Pag mag-add tayo, i-edit natin. Lebron, yan. Lagyan natin yan. Yan. Sample 23. Update. Ito yung ano ni Lebron ngayon. Ito yung student details. Tapos, talk to student list. Ito yung student list ng attendance. Tapos, pag magka-attendance, lagay tayo ng pangalan. Say. Yan. Tapos, age 19. Add student. Yun. And just say. Edit naman natin. Yan. Yan. Tapos, click natin dyan. Ito yung ano niya, details. Ito yung student details. So, consider. Yan. Tapos, home. Yun lang. Let's go.